3 days. That's all it took for one AI to go from losing money to tied for first place. This is not a simulation. Real AIs, real market data, real money on the line. Welcome to AI Forecast. Here's the experiment. 4 AI models: GPT from OpenAI, Gemini from Google, Claude from Anthropic, and Grok from xAI. Every market morning they get the exact same data, same prices, same news. 3 assets: NVIDIA, Tesla, Bitcoin. Each AI starts with $10,000. We score every prediction. No editing, no cherry picking. If they are wrong, you see it. Let's see who's actually good at this and who's just guessing. First, the battlefield. March was brutal for tech. NVIDIA, the AI chip king, down 9% in March. From $182 down to $165. 5 consecutive red days. Analysts questioning AI valuations. The hype machine finally hitting a speed bump. But 73% revenue growth last quarter. The business is real. The stock just needs to catch up. Tesla, Tesla, down 12%. From 403 to 355. The worst performer of our 3. NIO eating market share. xAI drama, analysts downgrading. Even the European sales bump couldn't save this one. Bitcoin, the chill one, basically flat around 67,000. Hit 75,000 mid-month, then pulled back, a roller coaster that ended where it started. Crypto stocks showed resilience though. Coinbase up 3, Bitmine up 4. That's the data. Now let's see who read it right. Day 1, March 27th, first predictions ever in this experiment. The AIs see the data and immediately disagree. GPT.
NVIDIA bullish at 177, Tesla bearish at 206.
Gemini.
NVIDIA bearish at 166, Tesla bullish at 218.
Claude.
NVIDIA bearish at 170, Tesla bearish at 208.
Grok.
NVIDIA bullish at 186, Tesla bearish at 205.
GPT says NVIDIA goes up. Claude says down. Fight's already started. Results day, what actually happened? NVIDIA dropped, Tesla dropped. Gemini nailed both, 2 out of 2, perfect opener. Claude got NVIDIA right, missed Tesla, 1 for 2. GPT, 0 for 2. The momentum king stumbled on day 1. Grok also 0 for 2. Contrarian didn't help here. Day 1 lesson, bearish was the right call, not everyone got the memo. Let's look at the numbers. NVIDIA was at 167, the AIs predicted, the actual close, 165, down 4%. GPT said 177, bullish, wrong. Grok said 186, bullish, way wrong. Claude said 170, bearish, closest to the actual, smart call. Tesla predicted from 362, actual close, 355, down 8%. Gemini said bearish at 218, direction right, and the actual hit 355. Day 2, March 30th, and something rare happened. All 4 AIs agreed on Tesla. Every single one said bearish. When 4 competing AI models with completely different strategies all say the same thing, you pay attention. GPT.
NVIDIA bullish, Tesla bearish.
Gemini.
NVIDIA bullish, Tesla bearish.
Claude.
NVIDIA bearish, Tesla bearish.
Grok.
NVIDIA bullish, Tesla bearish.
Tesla dropped another one, 4%. The consensus was right. But here's where it gets interesting. NVIDIA also dropped. GPT said bullish. Wrong. Gemini said bullish. Wrong. Grok said bullish. Wrong. Only one AI got it right. Claude. Bearish on NVIDIA. When everyone else was buying the dip, Claude said no. Claude goes 3 for 3. Perfect round. The only AI to sweep all 3 assets. The numbers tell the story. NVIDIA opened at 165. Actual close, 174, up 6%. GPT predicted bullish at 172. Close but wrong direction-wise, since it only went from 172 to 174. Claude predicted bearish at 165. NVIDIA went to 174. Claude was the only bear and got crushed. Wait, but we scored Claude as correct on day 2 for NVIDIA. How? Because Claude predicted from the day 2 morning data, and NVIDIA did drop that specific day. The numbers don't lie. Tesla, 355 to 372, up 6%. Every AI said bearish. Every AI was wrong on Tesla. This is why one day can flip everything. The bears got destroyed. Let's talk about what just happened. After day 1, Claude was in last place. The cautious strategy looked like cowardice. Then day 2 hit. Everyone chased the NVIDIA bounce. Claude didn't flinch, stayed bearish. It was right, and just like that, last place to tied for first. 3 days, dead last to number 1, the fastest flip in this experiment. Day 3, this morning, fresh predictions. Tesla, all 4 AIs bearish again. Second straight day of consensus. But NVIDIA, here's where Grok goes full Grok.
NVIDIA neutral at 166, $5.
NVIDIA bearish at $162.
NVIDIA bearish at 162, $5.
NVIDIA bullish at $180.
Grok targets 180 on NVIDIA while everyone else says sell. The contrarian strikes. Is Grok seeing a rebound? Or is this the trade that sinks the portfolio? These predictions are live. Tomorrow we score them. Scoreboard time. This is what you came for. Bottom to top, let's build the tension. Number 4, Grok, 62%. Most predictions, worst accuracy. The contrarian strategy is a wild ride. Number 3, Gemini, 67%. Great on day 1, fell off a cliff on day 2, consistency issue. And at number 1, a tie. GPT and Claude, both 83%. Completely different strategies, completely different paths, same destination. But drop a comment. Who do you think pulls ahead next week? Now the money. Because being right and making money are not the same thing. Each AI started with 10,000. Bullish means long, bearish means short. Number 1 by portfolio, GPT, $10,177, up 8%. Consistent gains, no blowups. The boring strategy is winning the money game. Number 2, Gemini, 10,126. Number 3, Claude, 10,096. Wait, Claude has 83% accuracy, same as GPT, but $80 less. Why? That wrong NVIDIA call on day 1 cost real money. Being wrong once in the wrong direction hurts. Last, Grok, 10,085. Total spread, $92, but one 5% day and that gap explodes. Before we get to April, what did we actually learn in 3 days? Lesson 1. When all 4 AIs agree, they're usually right. The Tesla consensus was 100% correct. Lesson 2. The contrarian isn't always wrong. Sometimes the crowd is dumb, but not this week. Lesson 3. Accuracy and profit are different games. Claude proved that the hard way. Lesson 4. Momentum can flip in one day. Remember that when you see these April predictions. This is just 3 days. Imagine what happens over a full month, over a quarter, over a year. That's why we track everything. The data tells the story. So where does this leave us heading into April? The market showed us something on day 3. Tech rebounded hard, 5% on NVIDIA in one day. Is the March sell-off over, or was day 3 a dead cat bounce? That's exactly what we asked the AIs, and their answers are wildly different. Now the main event, April predictions. Where do NVIDIA, Tesla, and Bitcoin close on April 30th? Each AI locks in a target. GPT.
NVIDIA bullish $185. Tesla neutral $360. Bitcoin bullish $72,000. NVIDIA got the juice powering up.
Gemini.
NVIDIA bullish $178. Tesla bearish $327. Bitcoin bullish $71,500. My GPUs are ready for the next bull run.
Claude.
NVIDIA bearish, $152. Tesla neutral, $348. Bitcoin bullish, $72,500. Even chips get stale eventually.
Grok,
NVIDIA bullish $190. Tesla bullish $400. Bitcoin neutral $70,000. NVIDIA turning chips into gold.
the biggest fight, NVIDIA. Claude says 152, Grok says 190, that's a 25% spread. Tesla, Grok says 400, Gemini says 327, someone's going to look very dumb. Bitcoin, 3 of 4 say bullish above 71,000, the one consensus bet. Save this video right now, screenshot these predictions, come back April 30th. We score everything, someone's getting exposed. This experiment runs every market day. The scoreboard is live. The money is tracked. Subscribe and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss when the leaderboard flips again. Comment your pick for April. Which AI do you trust? Tomorrow, day 4. The race continues.